Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya, and in today's video we're going to be doing a collective haul of a whole bunch of different stores that I have picked up some items from during the last month. I've purchased stuff from Target, Amazon, HomeGoods, At Home, Marshalls, TJ Maxx. It's been a collective of a lot of different places. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay, now welcome back. We're gonna go ahead and get into this video. First of all, I'm gonna start off with saying that all of these things that I have purchased is stuff that I have collected throughout maybe a time span of maybe 2 or 3 months. The whole time during Christmas I was still shopping. I have 2 shelves that I purchased, so I'm trying to get stuff to basically put on those shelves so that I can have those options of styling them in different ways. So the first thing I want to show you is that if you see behind me, I have these pillows. I purchased these pillows at Home, and when I first saw them, I really did like them. However, they aren't down-filled, so they're not choppable, and plus, if you can see, they hold a lot of length. You see, I really didn't like that about these pillows, but I went on Amazon and I was determined to find some velvet pillowcases and some pillows a little bit smaller than those pillows right there, and I found this pillowcase. I actually picked up 4 of those, and these came from Amazon. And when I purchased them, I wanted to make sure that I did have some down-filling pillows, so I was able to purchase 4 down-filled. Now the size of these pillowcases as well as the pillows are 18 inches. So yeah, the only thing I just did was just put the pillowcase over it and got my pillows. So I purchased 4 of those, 4 pillows, 4 pillowcases, and that's what I got from Amazon for my sofa. So I also purchased this tray. Super functional. It's you can use it for your bed. You can use it for your bed if you're eating, or if you're on your laptop, or you know, if you're just doing some reading or some writing, you can use this. You can also use it on your sofa, or you know, anywhere where you need to just have a desk somewhere. It opens up, so, and it has these little slots right here, so if you're on your laptop, you can actually, you know, set it up so that you can type or whatever. I found this to be super functional and cute, and it can be styled and make a cute little photo out for a bed setting. I also picked up a facial steamer. So I really wanted a facial steamer because my face was breaking out at the time, and I just wanted something that could get the moisture inside of it. And you know, I haven't even used it yet because my face started clearing up. I can't wait to use this. I'm gonna probably do a self-care video pretty soon, and I want to implement this right here in that. Yeah, I want to say this was like $30 or so. Everything is going to be in the description below so that you can see exactly how much I paid for those items. So I'm gonna go ahead on to, let's say, Target. Now y'all know they just had a launch of new items from Target, the Studio McGee collection. So I did end up picking up a few pieces from that collection. I picked up these 2. Now they're ceramic, they're very textured, and then I picked up the small vessel, super cute. This little guy was $15. They have another taller one. I want to say that one was for $20. They didn't have it there. I just picked up what they did have, and then this little guy is $20. I also picked up these candle holder sets. I actually picked up 2 sets. I think that's all I picked up from Target. Now let's go on to my favorite, HomeGoods. HomeGoods is bae, okay? I found these trays at HomeGoods. Really pretty to put on a coffee table or a island just to style it. I actually picked up 2 of them, and they were $19.99. And They're super pretty, so that was that. I also picked up these candle holders. I actually picked up 3 of these, and they are so cute when you put them together with a nice candle, especially if it's like a white candle or a black candle. Can't go wrong with those candles. So I was excited to find this vessel right here. I paired it with some eucalyptus branches. And this right here is I want to say his name is Jonathan Adler. It's like a dupe for a Jonathan Adler. It's super cute. I liked it. If you follow me on Instagram, you will see a picture of that vase when I styled it on my buffet table. I did find a David, and I wasn't sure if it was cracked right here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it kind of looked like it was cracked or broken or something. Right here, have that piece right here, and then this right here. But when I looked up online and seeing it, it kind of it looks like it tapers off right here anyway, so I'm not sure. I haven't seen anyone else's David bust on YouTube, so when I got ready to check out, I was like, hey, can I get a discount or something, because I believe that this is broken. And she was like, yeah, I could take $4 off of it. So the normal price on it was $39, $39.99, and she gave it to me for $36. So yeah, super happy to find this. So I am looking for a bar cart right now. If you have watched any of my other YouTube videos, you already know that I have a lot of glassware. Rude. That was my ice maker. I found this right here to go on my future bar cart, and basically this is for like grapefruit juice or cranberry juice. I also picked up this vase right here, little pitcher. This was $7.99, and that's for like some orange juice, and this one right here is $6.99. Couldn't pass this up. This right here is for like red wine. You can aerate it with this by pouring the wine in there, letting it breathe. So if you have some girlfriends over or whatever, you just set your stuff up already, have your red wine in here already being aerated. And yeah, it's just super cute. Will go very, very well on a bar cart. Today I went to Marshall's and I ran across these cute vessels, which I'm so surprised they actually match that painting that's behind me to the T. It has the black, it has like the white, it's kind of like not a gold, but not even a brown, but I can't even really, it's like a tan color. Super cute. I love the texture, the shaping. It actually looks something like the Studio McGee vase. So this is probably gonna go in my on this shelf right here, and this one's probably gonna go up to the front in my formal living room. This was $9.99 and this was $7.99, and these were some nice pieces. I really, really like these. I found this candle. Now, I absolutely love candles. I have a big collection of them. This one right here is the sandalwood vanilla. They call it vanilla. But I didn't know what it smelled like, so I had to open it while I was in the store just to make sure that I liked it, and I absolutely loved it when I did open it. But let me show y'all how aesthetically pleasing that this particular candle is. It's $12.99, and I think the name of it is Aquis candles. I'm gonna open it. Here's the lid. Yeah, it's so pretty. Ooh, Oh, it smells so good. It smells so good. But look how freaking and stinking cute. Is this candle? Oh, I don't know if it's, you can, do y'all see that? It's so pretty. It has the AQ initials, and it reminds me of the Vanilla Birch from Bath and Body Works, and that candle I cannot find for the life of me. So that was my Marshall's finds. I completely forgot about this. Okay, I have my computer right here. That if you see me looking down, that's because I have my monitor down here and y'all are up here. I'm gonna break this. So I also picked up these paintings, well, portraits. I actually picked up 2 packs of these to go with this gold mirror that I found at Marshall's. I didn't show this one to y'all on any of my other videos, but it will be in my home tour. Hopefully we get this together real soon. So, because I'm so excited to just put it all together. The reason why it's taking me so long is because I'm actually looking for substantial furniture. Like, I redid my whole house, like all the furniture and everything, in which I haven't even finished buying those or even finding it yet, for that matter. But I am, you know, doing what I can so far as like home decor until I'm able to source the pieces that I need for the rest of the house. But this right here was $49.99 for a pack of 3. It gives me very much restoration hardware vibes. I found this smoked glass vessel, which was super cute to me, but I just love the smoke look. It just goes with the vibe in here. And I also found, to match with it, is a candle holder. I just love the smoke look of it, and I just love the shapes and stuff, the contrasting shapes. I know this dog is not gonna shut up. H&M sent me a message that they had some new stuff in, and I was like, okay, let me go see what they have. Okay, I'm gonna be back with the rest of the video because I can't overtalk this dog. I'll be back in a few. Okay, so I think he simmered down a little bit back there, so I'm gonna go on to my H&M box, y'all. I have not opened it yet. Well, I kind of opened it, but I didn't open it. It makes sense. So, not ice again. Okay, listen. I need to do this. Okay, so I'm gonna do this in my studio from now on. This was a no-no. Anyways, let's go ahead on with this. See, I haven't opened it yet, y'all. So, I'm gonna use my nails. I hope I don't cut myself because I am prone for accident. Oh yeah. Aw, isn't she cute? Oh my goodness, this is gonna go so cute with the, let me see how close this looks. Well, close enough. This is a little bit more smoother than this. This is a little bit more textured. Oh, now sounds like somebody's outside with some music booming. Oh, I really like this. But this is like a candle holder. Oh, I can't remember how much I paid for that though. I don't think it was that expensive. Oh my gosh, y'all, so cute. Do y'all see that? Oh, how enormous this is. I didn't know it was this big. I honestly didn't know it was this big. I know I wanted one like this. But y'all see this? Okay. So, oh, this is so cute. Okay, so This is the big one from H&M. This one was sold out for months, and I was able to grab one. I don't know if they're still on the site. If they are, I'll link them below. Again, I want these two to go together. Anyway, so that is going to be the conclusion of my video, and I will see y'all on the next one. Y'all be blessed, stay safe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.